How are we doing, guys? My name's Henry1K and I am a streamer on Twitch. If you do want to follow me on Twitch and you do enjoy this bit of content, then do please look down below because twitch.tv/Henry_1K. But let's get into this video. This video is going to be about NDI and how you set up your gaming PC and your streaming PC to work together. So basically you're sending the visuals from your gaming PC to your streaming PC, as well as your microphone and the system audio from your gaming PC. I'm not gonna hang around here too much. We're gonna go straight into it. If you do enjoy it and if it does help you, please do not forget to like and subscribe. Let's go. Okay, ladies and gents, feast your eyes upon a lovely bit of artwork I created in about 2.5 minutes. We've got the router, so the router should be connected to the internet, and your gaming PC should already be connected to the router. You do want to have wired connections. NDI doesn't work great over wireless. So an Ethernet cable from the gaming PC to the router, from the streaming PC now to incorporate the streaming PC with an Ethernet cable into your router. And then step 1 needs to be, the gaming PC needs NDI Scan Converter. It does not need OBS. It troubles me so much when people say you need to have OBS on your gaming PC and your streaming PC. The whole point of the Scan Converter is to take away any of the processes so you're not using any of your CPU up. So NDI Scan Converter is the only bit of software you need on your gaming PC, and we're going to call that step 1. So I'm now going to show you how to install, download, use NDI Scan Converter. Let's go straight in. So guys, using the link in the description, number 1, you're then going to paste that or click that ndi.tv/tools into your browser. Click enter. You're going to see this handsome chap, NDI Tools this is called. It does download all of the tools. You can just download Scan Converter. That is the one that we want to download. But just for reference of this video, we're going to download the whole lot. So NDI Tools for Windows. I'm using Windows. If you're using Mac, obviously NDI Tools for Mac. And then just download it, go through the install. Once you have downloaded it and installed it and it said it was successful, then do restart your PC. It's fundamental that you restart your PC after downloading NDI Tools. Next. So guys, we're on the gaming PC. We've just restarted the gaming PC and now we want to find NDI Scan Converter so we can set it up correctly. It's going to be in your show hidden icons down the bottom right. Click that once. Go up to NDI Scan Converter if it was installed and downloaded correctly. So you right click on this. And as you can see, I've got my audio source ticked and also my webcam audio source ticked. So we'll start with the webcam audio source. This, for me, is my microphone. So it's going to be bringing over my microphone sound. So you just go over it, then pull over to the left. And then, as you can see, I'm using the Yeti stereo microphone. So I click that. You might be using a headset or whatever you're using. Do click that. And obviously, your microphone is connected into your gaming PC. So this is just sending your microphone from your gaming PC over to your streaming PC using NDI. So the audio source is going to be usually your system audio, so the audio of your gaming PC. This is also bringing over, incorporated into this source, is the visuals. So whatever you can see on your monitor is being sent over via NDI to your streaming PC, bringing over the system audio with it, and then in a separate source, you've got the microphone coming over. So 2 sources are being brought over to your streaming PC. We're now going to head over to the streaming PC and show you what you need to do there. So everything is done for the gaming PC. Now we're going to the streaming PC and we're going to install the OBS NDI plugin. So we're now on the streaming PC. So the first thing to do on your streaming PC, I did actually say about the plugin, but the first thing is to obviously install OBS, but I'm assuming you've already installed OBS because you've streamed for a while and now you want to make your streaming experience better. But they do say that assumption is the mother of all cock-ups. So please do install OBS onto your streaming machine. That being OBS or Streamlabs OBS. I'm using Streamlabs OBS, but OBS is very, very similar. But then obviously onto your streaming PC, I say obviously, not so obviously, is you do need a plugin, the NDI plugin. It's the 4.7.0 at the moment. If it has updated, I would have changed the link, so you will be on the newer version. So you just scroll down from this and you find Windows Installer, because I'm running on Windows. If you're Mac, obviously Mac. Click the Windows Installer, download it, run it, and then restart your streaming PC. I repeat, restart your streaming PC. So once we've done that, we're just going to open up Streamlabs OBS and we're going straight into it, guys. Let's go. So now I've got Streamlabs OBS open on my streaming PC, because the only place we've got any sort of OBS software is on our streaming PC and not our gaming PC, right? And I'm just going to show you how to incorporate the NDI Source. So let's go through this. You click the plus at add a new source to your scene. So you're adding a new source to your scene. You then will find NDI Source if you've downloaded and installed it and restarted your streaming PC. Click NDI Source and then click Add Source. Basically, you've got two sources now. As you can see, this is the source with no visuals. So this is my microphone. This is the source with the visuals, and it's going to have my system audio. Two sources like we spoke about previously. I've already got my microphone source added into this scene. That's why you can hear me, and you can see down the bottom right NDI Source, and it's moving in time with my voice. So we're now going to add the source, which is going to be the gaming PC monitor view and the system audio. So I just click Add Source. As you can see, it's gone to the top. So I'm just going to make this a little bit smaller so you can see me still. For example, if I was to open Spotify on my gaming PC, you're now going to see that on the streaming PC. Also, you can see the sources, which is NDI Source 2. So if I was to press play, you're going to hear, so we're going to close down Spotify from here so you don't think I'm cheating, because I don't cheat. But then if we press play, we've got the music, the system audio coming from our gaming PC to our streaming PC with the visuals, with the microphone. That's everything. Hopefully, ladies and gentlemen, that did help you. That's NDI put simply, really. So a couple of fundamentals is you only need OBS on your streaming PC. It's Scan Converter on your gaming PC and the NDI plugin on your streaming PC. Don't forget to restart both of the PCs when you're installing the NDI software. Ladies and gentlemen, if you did enjoy this, if it did help you even in the slightest, or even if you just enjoyed it because you enjoy watching me, because you do, right? Then please do hit like, hit subscribe, and also please join me on Twitch. I stream every Monday, Wednesday and Friday at twitch.tv/Henry_1K. But for now, it's see you soon.